Hello friends, welcome back. In this video lesson, you will learn how to pronounce the words six and sex in English. Friends, it can be quite awkward if you confuse the pronunciation of these two words and mispronounce them when speaking in English. It does happen and it's only normal as you may not have these sounds in your native language. Together in this video lesson, we'll go through the difference in the pronunciation of the words sex and six to better help you pronounce them when speaking in English. Now friends, I do understand that there may be many other words that you're really struggling to pronounce when speaking in English. Share with us in the comments below this video which words are you really struggling to pronounce when speaking in English. Looking at the words sex and six, it's no wonder that you are confusing these words when speaking in English. These two words are a minimal pair and they only have one different sound. In the word six, we use the vowel sound I, found in words such as sit, bit, and six. Again, sit, bit, and six. But the word sex uses the S sound found in words such as bed, mess, and sex. Let's move on and focus on the S sound found in the word sex. To make this sound, you need to drop your jaw. Drop your jaw, this part here, slightly like this, and place your tongue at the bottom of your mouth, slightly touching your bottom teeth. So just like this. Then we use our tongue and the front middle part of our mouth to push air out. Watch carefully, air, air, air. Notice here how my jaw is dropped and I'm just releasing air, air, air. Make sure that your tongue is wide while you are releasing, while you are pushing air out from your mouth. Fantastic. Let's try practicing using this sound in the word sex. Again, listen carefully and repeat out loud. Sex, sex. Now let's try to use it in a sentence. Do you have sex education at school? Do you have sex education at school? Do you have sex education at school? Or is sex education important? Is sex education important? Now the word six uses the I sound. To make this sound, you don't need to drop the jaw as much as you do with the sound. There's less of a jaw drop. Now the tip of your tongue is again at the front of your mouth when you produce this sound, but the difference is that the tongue doesn't stay at the bottom of your teeth, but you lift your tongue up. You're lifting it up as you're making that sound. Watch carefully, I, I. Notice here that the tongue is not at the tip of the mouth, but it is going up. The tongue is closer to the roof of the mouth in this vowel. Again, I, I. Listen and repeat after me. Six, 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 six. Let's try using this in a few sentences. Do you have 6 apples? Do you have 6 apples? Six, six. Notice there's not that much of a jaw drop and also the tongue is going up. 6. Do you have 6 apples? Yes, I have 6 apples. Yes, I have 6 apples. 6. Let's take it a level up now and let's try to use these two words in a sentence together. Listen and repeat after me. 6 hours of sex education. 6 hours of sex education. 6 hours of sex education. Make sure, friends, that with this word here, 6, that you aren't dropping the jaw as much as you would with the word sex. Sex. Let's try that again now. 6 hours of sex education. 6 hours of sex education. Or can you teach sex education for 6 hours? Can you teach sex education for 6 hours? Can you teach sex education for 6 hours? Friends, remember to practice. Practice makes perfect. Watch this video lesson a few times, repeat shadow out loud after me so that you can master the difference in pronunciation of the words sex and six in English. Remember, friends, to join the discussion in the comments below this video and tell me which words are you really struggling to pronounce when speaking in English. If you like this video lesson, make sure to like it, hit subscribe and turn on notifications so that you get the latest lessons I post here on my YouTube channel, and be a good friend. Help your friends learning English by sharing this video lesson with them. Thanks for watching, thanks for being here, and I look forward to seeing you in the comments below this video. Bye for now.